Hello and welcome to a video for the One Ring role-playing game on Foundry VTT, but this is for really any game on Foundry. I'm just going to show you how to make a custom module. This is where you can store all of your stuff. If you don't, when there's a big update, you will lose everything. So let's just go through. It's very, very simple. You want to go to the add-on modules tab, and then you want to click on the gear right here to create a module. Now when you create a module, it's going to ask you a few questions. It's going to ask what you want to call it, and we'll just call it test module. But call it, the One Ring custom stuff is what I usually do. You don't need to do anything else on here. Unless you feel like you need to, but for the most part you don't need to do that. You can go to compendium packs, and this is where you say what you want to have in the module. So I usually will do like custom actors, and then this will be an actor, and then for actors and items, in fact it says right here, actors, items, or adventure which contains actors or items needs to have the system. So then I'll just put down this is for the One Ring system right there. And then I can add another compendium pack here. And I could call this custom items. And same thing, I'm going to select that it's an item, and items have to have the system on there. And we can do another one, and this could be custom journals. And I can do journal entry, and I don't have to put in the system. And that's really all that you need. I don't have any relationships, anything on there. I just create the module, and now I have a module that if I look up test module, there it is right there. And when I go into my game, I can click on manage modules, and I can select test module, and now it will be in that game. So if I have multiple instances of the One Ring running, I can easily transfer from world to world. But really I use this just to back everything up. If I create anything, an item, a character, a creature, I will save it into this module so that if there is an update and it wipes everything that's on the core system, this is saved. This is how you save it for perpetuity. So I hope that this is helpful. This will save you a lot of headaches. It only has to happen to you once, and you'll want to know how to fix it. This is how you fix it. So go ahead, and I encourage you to start using this in your Foundry systems. Save your scenes, your actors, your items, your journals, your rollable tables, your playlists, everything into a custom module. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. We'll see you soon.